Hi friends, I'm Clark. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a toy 3D effect on your photo and how to edit this photo like this. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, download this OG AI art application from the Play Store and just open the app. So just scroll down, you can see a lot of different type of themes and filters. Just need to click any, select any photos. You can see there is a lot of short one here, so you can just scroll here to select the filter that you just needed. So just scroll down and you can find this filter called toy 3D. So you can see it automatically generates the image to that look like a toy 3D. Just click on this generate option, which actually change your photo into a toy 3D effect, which is super using the AI. Actually, it's a AI generating image, and the start one was actually a premium one. You can see how it's look like. You can see a before after transition of this image, which is quite awesome. So you can just create your own cartoon image by using this particular AI application using, and click on the done option after the applying the filter. Click on this done option. It automatically saves the image to your gallery. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.